Welcome back, or welcome. We're back to doing TI stuff.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
As you guys know, we finally ripped out the heater core, blower motor, whatever system. No more black box, but we have a giant hole. It leaves us vulnerable to the weather conditions and a fire. So I got our handy dandy tape measure, and we're gonna measure how long we need to make a block off plate.
Yeah, what's it looking like, Captain?
It's looking like I should get in the car and do this. About 18 and a half. We'll get 20, be on the safe side. What does that say, 12?
No, you're the one measuring it, Kai.
It says 12, so we'll get 15.
Great.
20 by 15.
You got it. You can get out of a car
You record my struggle. I went to the gym yesterday, guys. I went very hard on leg day, and I am in so much pain. Alright? Onwards to the store. Happy New Year, by the way. To give a little update while we're on our way to the store, I start a new job this week, and yes, I'm still painting cars. I'm gonna be painting the Miata soon enough, but before we do that, we need to get the TI all together so I can start dailying that thing while it's down.
Later.
Got our mail from Lowe's. Now it's time to trace the hole with paper.
CAD. Kai just busted so much ass slipping on a piece of construction paper.
Get out of my face.
Yeah, that one's wrong. Kai, what is this, dude? Guys, look at that. Where do I cut that?
I'm doing contour lines.
No, Kai, come on. Dude, you're not even on the line.
Dude, there's like 20 lines.
Yeah, that's definitely the right line.
What do you mean? It's literally fine.
How many squiggly lines this time, Kai?
Listen, stop making fun of my contour lines.
Contour line, she says.
What are they? What? Long time ago, I went to school for art.
You did so good at art school.
Listen, I dropped out. Leave me alone.
Is that where the artism came from?
Listen, the little details on my card didn't give it away.
Trace it, Kai. Don't do some calligraphy lines.
Contour lines.
Whatever lines.
I'm getting old. My knees are starting to hurt. As part of this being tape, you can just hold it down. It's still a contour line drawing, by the way. Because I'm doing one continuous line.
Kai, give it up.
I'm doing it.
We'll be back.
Jordy definitely took over.
Voila. Alright, Kai, let's see how my cutting skills were versus your tracing skills. Well, so your template was bad.
A little more trimming on the sides. Wow.
I did it.
Perfect.
Dude, it's so good.
Before Jordy closes off that hole for good, we got this bad boy. So we are gonna wipe down the car again with all of that eventually, just time being.
Still a stinky bitch.
I'm gonna put 6 in it.
6 or 7.
Ha!
And we have a block off plate. Now that that's over with, tomorrow we are gonna come back, spray the car and the dash, everything that has to go in the front so we can install that and then get to the seats. So in the meantime, we're gonna clean up and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Cleaning day. We're gonna start in sections. We're gonna focus on the front section first. Hit the floor with the vacuum, wipe everything down, wipe the dash and everything down that goes in the front, install that, go from there. From the front to the back. Every time We go from the front to the back of the car. That song plays in my head. But yay, look at all these parts. The main one. Honestly, I did clean this pretty good.
Still smells like piss.
We're gonna let it soak in the urine odor thingy-majob.
Well, while Kai's playing with the dash, I'm gonna start on the inside. Alright, world, I got the inside all cleaned. Kai's going OD on the dash.
I'm doing some finishing touches, alright? It smells so much better. I wish you guys were here to smell it, because from before to now, it's like roses in my nose.
You ready?
Yeah, let's put this bitch in.
You sure? You ready? You want to see it inside? Because I want to see it inside.
I don't think it goes there.
Well, looks good to me, right?
I don't know, it feels too far back.
You're short.
Stand by real quick, as Jordy's gonna drop the steering column. See how easy that went in when you actually do things the right way?
Don't even start.
Screws are in.
You gotta put the steering column back up.
We got a dash! Oh my god! The car actually looks so much more put together now that it's in. We are not done yet. Notice anything missing? The glove box! Which is funny because I don't even have one in the Miata. I'm gonna wipe these down real quick. We're gonna get the cluster in. Looking good. Let's install this.
Maybe unpopular opinion, but I really like the TI dash.
You got the kick panel? Jordy's trying to figure out where every wire goes before he just tucks them up.
Good practice.
While Jordy figures out all the wires and stuff, I'm gonna go grab food because I'm starving. So, since we have nothing anymore, no heater core, nothing, this can't mount to anything. So we're gonna use our trusty dusty hot glue gun and secure her down. Got another glue stick. Clear piece is glued in. Now let's get the knobs. Nice. We just need a radio too.
Look in the box above you, Kai. You f***ed the vision, Kai. The hot glue vision.
Look how old this radio is, from 1892. We've come into a dilemma. Radio is way too heavy with no support back there, so we're gonna have to hold off on music. Since we can't fit the radio, Jordy gonna play some arts and crafts.
Pink paper means the same thing every time. CAD.
And what does CAD mean?
Construction paper drafting and design. Good draft, right? Let's make it out of plastic.
Beautiful.
Definitely not beautiful.
Better than a hole.
Yeah, I tried my best.
Anyways, Jordy got distracted, but he's back to actually putting the kick panel on. Sick. The last thing for today, steering.
Clamshell.
Let's go. Starting to feel like an actual car now. On that note, it's getting late. We'll be back tomorrow for more. And we are back to working on this thing. Let's get a f***ing seat in.
Are you ready for these?
Can anyone guess where we got these brackets from?
Somebody's gonna guess it.
If you guess Temu with my code.
You're right.
Don't worry, this video is not sponsored by them this time, so I will not go into the whole spiel, but it works. Amazon messed up and only sent us one thing of seat rails, so we're only gonna put the driver's side in for today. But it's fine, because it's still getting a seat. I'm coming. Yeah, face down, ass up. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
No way! Look what just came in the mail! Woo! We can put both seats in!
Let's see what nice, dude. Do we have hardware for this?
Please tell me we saved the past ones. Nice!
Putting sliders on this dumbass thing. Wash your hand.
We'll be right back.
Wait, isn't that upside down? So bad.
There we go. It's still not correct.
Because the angle, that's supposed to be.
It's very not right. We gotta unbend and bend.
What?
What does that sound like? No, I didn't. What are you talking about?
You're pissing
What?
Guys, the commentary's unnecessary.
Should be good enough.
Alright, Kai. Thank you for just hitting me with the door.
Let's put the seat in.
Alright, Kai. Moment of truth. See if the fronts are in the right spot. Is that a good position for you?
And let's see if the slider actually works.
Damn it, slide. After 9,000 attempts at putting bolts in, lining them up, we had to move it again. You gonna sit in it? See if Kai's fat ass can fit. I was gonna say, you look extremely close.
We are gonna lower it just a teeny tiny bit so both Jordy and I can fit comfortably. I don't think we're gonna get to the passenger seat tonight or in this video, but it's fine. We'll get to it eventually. But we have a f***ing seat in the TI!
I'm gonna fart in it first.
That's crazy. Feels good. Meet you outside.
Damn, I didn't know she knew where reverse was. Still only got one seat.
Yeah. Still have no light in here either. So we're gonna make do. Guys, I feel crazy in this thing.
Does it feel cool though?
It feels super cool. Oh my god, this is my first time actually driving it.
Put it in second gear or something. Jesus Christ, Kai.
Dude, I'm so happy.
Thoughts?
I'm very happy. I'm so stoked I can actually drive the car now. I don't want to stop driving it yet. This is so nice.
I'm loving it down here.
I'm going slow because it is still icy out. So I don't want to accidentally hit black ice and no spinning. Yeah, I think I'm going to park it up for now.
I want to drive it.
Oh, okay.
What the hell?
Park it. My head is literally the height of the shifter right now. types of drivers.
There's none.
Shut up.
Yeah, it works.
I'm surprised I'm staying still over here. You're giving me whiplash.
This thing's sick.
On that note, ending the video here. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll have the passenger seat in soon enough. Probably next week, but stay tuned.